a quick backyard tour, New Year's Day holiday 2012. When the Rose Parade was still on, it was sunny, almost trying to be warm, but the parade ended. We're back in Oregon, and we had time for about an hour of yard work, and now it's starting to rain. Anyway, this is the backyard in the beginning of January. I'm just walking along, holding the camera as I go. Nothing really in particular. Just walking and aiming. Très artistique, I think. Let's see. It's the... I see a Skylands. One of the tree peonies. Cascade Falls Bald Cypress. There's Thunderhead. Variegated Unique. Stuff here. That's Pacific Fire Vine Maple. That's Tony walking along the yard. It's a nice Korean Cephalotaxis. Uncle Fogey, the pine that just wanders. Some blooming heather. The weeping sequoia. Picea pungens, the blues. Goldilocks. Some manzanita. The palm. Midwinter fire cornice. Cerula. That's Margie the Camellia. Edgeworthia, probably it'll get bitten and it won't bloom again. Snow Queen Hydrangea, Unique. Kotobuki. A larch, a nice rock. Okay, let's see. Almost done, almost done. Oh, this is a nice golden concolor. Let's view the yard. This is Saguaro, Coldbrook Maple, Debutante, Mount Hood Blue, Calicendrons decorans, Rima Gold, Calicedrus Rima Gold, Miss Rhodey, Witch Hazel Jelena, just starting to bloom up nicely. Physiomorca Pendula, the Bruns, Standicii, Cephalotaxis, or is it Taxis? And Superlaca. I think there's a larch. Contorted filbert. Ballet Valentine. Cephalotaxis Harringtonia. And we're ending up Pinus contorta. Chief Joseph, Happy New Year.